Why the B-2 bomber ditches the tail and costs $2 billion. The B-2, a billion-dollar phantom in the sky. When you hear the name B-2 Spirit, you're not just talking about a plane, you're talking about a ghost in the sky, a $2 billion stealth masterpiece that changed the rules of modern warfare. It's a flying wing with no tail, almost alien in appearance. And there's a reason for that. Everything about the B-2 was engineered for one ultimate goal: to disappear. From its radar-evading shape to its ability to fly undetected across continents, the B-2 bomber is the most iconic stealth aircraft ever built. But the big question remains, why does it have no tail? And why does this ghost cost more than some countries' annual defense budgets? Let's dig deep into the mysteries of this elite war machine. The tail problem: visibility on radar. In traditional aircraft design, tails are critical. They help with stability and control. But they also present a massive problem: radar reflection. Flat, vertical surfaces bounce radar waves right back to their source. That makes tails the perfect target for enemy tracking systems. To solve this, engineers at Northrop Grumman did something radical. They completely ditched the tail. That meant tossing out a century's worth of conventional aerodynamics for something entirely new: a flying wing. But eliminating the tail came at a price. The aircraft became far more difficult to control. Couldn't rely on normal flight dynamics anymore. Everything had to be handled through advanced fly-by-wire systems, essentially digital brains managing every twitch of the aircraft in real time. The B-2 is stable not because of its shape, but because of software that constantly makes thousands of adjustments per second. Stealth first, everything else second. From the start, the B-2 wasn't about speed or maneuverability. It was about being invisible or as close to it as possible. Engineers used every trick in the book. Radar-absorbent materials cover the entire surface. Smooth, curved surfaces bounce radar signals away instead of back. Engines buried in the wings prevent heat from being easily detected. No tail surfaces, which would otherwise scream on enemy radar. This philosophy of stealth above all dictated the entire design. That's why the plane looks like a bat and has no right angles or protrusions. Every rivet, every edge, every opening is carefully managed to avoid detection. And yes, the lack of a tail is central to its stealth profile. You can't have a radar signature smaller than a bird if you've got a big fin sticking up. The digital flight system, a pilot's guardian angel. Without a tail, the B-2 is inherently unstable. In fact, no human pilot could fly it without assistance. That's where its digital flight control system comes in. The B-2's fly-by-wire system continuously interprets pilot inputs and feeds them into a complex network of sensors, algorithms, and actuators. It makes thousands of micro-adjustments every second, far faster and more precisely than any human could. It's not just helping the pilot, it's saving the mission. If the system fails, the aircraft can become uncontrollable. That's why the B-2's control systems are backed up multiple times, each with layers of redundancy and real-time feedback loops. Inside the $2 billion price tag, let's talk money. The B-2 Spirit is one of the most expensive aircraft ever built. The program's total cost ballooned past $45 billion for only 21 operational aircraft, which puts the per-unit price at about $2.1 billion. Here's what makes it so expensive: stealth technology development, the radar-absorbent materials, radar-deflecting design, and specialized coatings weren't just expensive to invent. They're expensive to maintain. Hand-built manufacturing. Each B-2 is hand-assembled with painstaking attention to detail. Mass production was never part of the plan. Ultra-secret systems. Many of the B-2 systems are so classified, even some pilots aren't briefed on the full suite of tech. The B-21 also adopts the flying wing design with no tail, proving that Northrop's radical design was the right call all along. But the B-2 will remain in service until at least 2032, continuing its ghost missions for nearly half a century. Flight control software. The AI-like flight system that keeps it stable is custom-built and continuously upgraded. Special facilities and maintenance crews. You can't just park a B-2 anywhere. It needs custom hangars with temperature and humidity controls to preserve its delicate stealth skin. This isn't just an aircraft. It's a national treasure in carbon fiber, combat-proven, from Kosovo to Afghanistan. The B-2 Spirit isn't just a showpiece. It's a weapon of war. It first saw action during Operation Allied Force in Kosovo, 1999. In just 8 weeks, B-2s flew less than 1% of all sorties, but destroyed 33% of Serbian targets. They've since been used in Afghanistan, Iraq, and Libya, often flying missions lasting over 40 hours with in-air refueling. What makes the B-2 so dangerous is its ability to drop bombs without ever being seen, often from high altitude and over long distances. It's equipped to carry everything from precision-guided dams to nuclear bombs. That makes it not just a stealth platform, but a strategic deterrent. Painful logistics, the cost of invisibility. Stealth doesn't come easy. The B-2 skin is sensitive to temperature, moisture, and even dust. Ground crews use infrared scanners and specialized tools to detect tiny flaws in the coating. If the stealth layer gets scratched or chipped, the aircraft's radar cross-section can increase dramatically. That's why each B-2 needs about 50 hours of maintenance for every hour of flight. And even storage isn't simple. It requires climate-controlled hangars to keep the stealth skin from degrading. The future, from B-2 to B-21 Raider. As incredible as the B-2 is, it's not the end of the story. The U.S. Air Force is already preparing its successor, the B-21 Raider. This next-gen stealth bomber aims to improve upon the B-2 in every way: cheaper to build, easier to maintain, and just as invisible. The B-21 also adopts the flying wing design with no tail, proving that Northrop's radical design was the right call all along. But the B-2 will remain in service until at least 2032, continuing its ghost missions for nearly half a century. Conclusion: a ghost born of purpose. Why does the B-2 have no tail? Because it's not just a plane. It's a vision of what warfare looks like when technology, strategy, and purpose come together in perfect symmetry. The lack of a tail isn't a design flaw, it's a statement. The B-2's fly-by-wire system continuously interprets pilot inputs and feeds them into a complex network of sensors, algorithms, and actuators. It makes thousands of micro-adjustments every second, far faster and more precisely than any human could. This is a machine built for one job: get in, destroy the target, and disappear. And that job is so critical, so dangerous, and so rare that $2 billion doesn't seem like a bad price at all. In a world of ever-advancing radar, AI defenses, and global surveillance, the B-2 still holds the crown. Because sometimes the most dangerous weapon is the one you never see coming. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.